Hello everyone, my name is Yao Yao and thank you for being here today. In, is, in this presentation, I will be sharing an overview of election results by state as part of my assignment. We will take a closer look at how data is presented, what insights can be drawn, and how interactive elements help in understanding regional voting trends. Let's get started. There are millions of voters across the United States, and understanding how different states and counties vote can reveal important political, social, and demographic trends. This dashboard explores election results by states and counties, helping us analyze voting patterns across regions. We will be looking at how these results vary geographically and what insights we can draw from the data to better understand the electoral landscape. The first chart on the dashboard we're looking at on the top left-hand corner is a stacked bar chart that shows election results across 4 U.S. regions: the Midwest, the Northeast, South, and the West. The blue segments represent population that voted Democratic, while the orange segments represent those who voted Republican. We can see that the Northeast and West lean more Democratic, while the South has a stronger Republican base. In the meantime, the Midwest appears more balanced. The second chart on the top right-hand corner is a map. It shows the election result by state, with shades of blue representing the proportion of population that voted Republican. The darker blue means stronger Republican support. Texas really stands out with a deep shade indicating a solid Republican vote. In contrast, many coastal states like California and those in the Northeast show much lighter shades, suggesting stronger Democratic support. The map highlights clear geographic trends even without defined regions. And to the bottom half of the dashboard is a tree map. It visualizes the population size of each U.S. state. Every block represents a state, and the size of the block reflects its population. The larger the block, the more people live there. States like California, Texas, and Florida clearly dominates the map due to their large populations, while smaller states like Wyoming or Vermont appears as much smaller blocks. And this layout helps us quickly grasp the population distribution across the country. Next, let's look at the interactive feature of the dashboard. If you look at the stacked bar chart again, it not only shows the overall election result by region, but it also includes an interactive filtering feature. For example, when I click on the blue segment of the South, the chart reveals that over 27 million people in the region voted Democratic. While the South leans Republican overall, this shows that there is still a sizable Democratic population. And similarly, if I click on the orange portion of the West, it shows that more than 7 million voters in the West supported the Republican Party. This filter feature allows us to dig deeper into the region voting patterns and better understand the distribution of voter support across the country. One of the key strengths of this dashboard is how seamlessly the three charts work together. When I click on the orange section of the South region, the map automatically zooms in. and highlights the southern state. We're looking at Texas, Mississippi, Georgia, Florida, and so on. At the same time, the tree map dynamically updates to show only those states, with each block sized by population. This interconnected design makes it easy to move from a high-level overview to detailed regional insights with just one click, showing how each piece of the data is visually and interactively connected. To sum up, this dashboard offers a comprehensive look at election results through multiple linked visualizations. The stacked bar chart provides a clear breakdown of voter distribution by region, while the map gives a state-by-state view with detailed shading. The tree map adds another layer by showing population sizes, helping us understand the scale behind the numbers. Thanks to the interactive filtering and the linking between the charts, you can easily explore specific areas, zoom in regions, and see how population and voting patterns connect. Together, these features create a powerful tool by analyzing election data from different angles with ease and clarity. Thank you all for your time and attention. I hope this dashboard has provided you with valuable insights into election results and demonstrated how interactive visualizations can help make a complicated data easy to explore and understand.